Hi, I'm Clay Carlino, and I do stuff. I'm kind of workshopping it. You can let me know what you think. But I've been spending the last several weeks cleaning up the garage. It was a complete disaster after I put together the charger, and I have to bring the charger back in here to do some more work. And I needed to get the garage in order before I could stand to do that. I mean, I didn't even have room to walk. So let me just take you on a tour of some of the stuff that I've done. Now, you can see that this stuff is the way that I already had it. I've got all of my wrenches arranged, and I have them in ascending order from smallest to largest. I don't separate them by American and metric. I just have 7mm, 8mm, which is also 5/16, 9mm, 3/8, 10, and it just goes on up with the wrenches that kind of share a common size, occupying the same hook. This is my little bin. I got this at a secondhand store, and I already had this one from Harbor Freight, which I'm just gonna throw out that this one needed some tweaking in order to make it work. No, just look over this way. This one needed some tweaking because the way that it comes out of the box, these drawers go in so far that they catch on the lip up here, and then you can't pull them out easily, and it's a real pain in the butt. So what I ended up doing is I ended up cutting the back and then sticking the plastic on. But that pushed the drawers forward far enough that you can pull them out, and now I like them, but I really didn't like them that much before. But they were very cheap, didn't cost a lot of money, and it didn't take me that long to fix it. So you know, I'm not going to say that it's a bad value, but I feel like that's a little bit of a design flaw. Of course, I've always had my pliers and screwdrivers and everything up on the wall. Now I've got magnetic strips for all my punches. And look, you can see my desktop. No, don't. Just keep the camera over this way. I realize that it's not a beautiful garage and it's not a spacious garage, but the nice thing about having things like this is that at this point, when I find little stuff, when I have like little ball bearings or little parts or things, before I was always putting them in a bowl and then just setting them aside. Now I have a place for everything. And if you want to avoid clutter, then having an actual place to put everything is super, super important. Look at all this. I sorted everything into organizers. I've got relays, fuses, body panel retainers, bulbs. My rivet nut set is now in a single container with the rivet nuts. My riveter is also in an organizer with all the rivets because I'm never going to use that tool and not need the rivets. So I keep it all together. Got my glue guns with glue. Got my electronics. And so at this point, you can see that the entire garage is perfectly organized and there's nothing else. Now wait, stop. You know, I would just like to point out that sometimes it's the journey, not the destination. So you're not buying that either, huh? This is Clay Carlino telling you to be brave.